Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to share a very good news with you. Allah says in the Quran,
وَرَتِّلِ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا,
and recites the Quran in a slow, pleasant tone and style. Quran 73 verse 4. Many a time, you might have made an intention to improve your tajweed but just could not move forward. It could be shyness or unable to find a good tajweed teacher. But now, you can improve your tajweed from the comfort of your homes. Just install our app, Tajweed Checker, from Google Play Store or App Store. Then, record your sample recitation and send it for evaluation. Our experienced and certified teachers will listen to your recording and then they will evaluate your tajweed. Our teachers will identify your mistakes and suggest solutions to improve. You will get a detailed tajweed report card and also a free one-to-one session with a tajweed teacher as a bonus. So, just download the app Tajweed Checker and get going. It is so easy and simple. Tajweed Checker, now on Google Play Store and App Store.